Hey everybody, this is Chris Holdred for chrissworkshop72.com, and even though I'm a bit under the weather, I do have some wonderful hints for you here to help you be successful on YouTube with using nothing but a cell phone. So stay tuned. Please consider subscribing by clicking on the link in the description for tips, information, and reviews for YouTube, gaming, woodworking, photography, videography, travel, and a whole lot more.
Hey everybody, it's Chris Holdred for chrisworkshop72.com, and my friend Allison had a few questions about what she could use on her cell phone in order to be successful on YouTube. So I wanted to jump in here and throw a live video in. Decided to not to go live because I am testing a few different things out here, so I wanted to make sure that everything was going to work well. So one of the apps that I do use, it's called DU Recorder. And the nice thing about this is not only does it give you the opportunity to record your screen, um, it also gives you the opportunity to broadcast live. And if you guys notice, I've got the little watermark down there. I haven't figured out how to remove their watermark. Eventually, I don't think there's a paid version, but we'll find out as I play with it a little bit more and more. Um, but like I was saying, this is a great app. Now, some of the other things that I found, and if you're an iPhone user, this is going to all be on Android. But you can go into the App Store and do searches, and you'll probably find pretty much something. Either if it's not these exact apps, it'll be something similar. So we're going to hop in, and one of the apps that I did find recently was Tag Find Pro. Um, I'm going to use a Clash Royale live video that I shot as an example for what we're doing. So we'll come in here, we'll type in Clash Royale, and we'll search, and it'll work for a minute. You get their little copyright information there, and it gives us 674 results. And you can just come in, click on a few selections that you want. There you go. If I'm not being too hyperactive, or if you really want to be lazy, you just hit the select all. Um, so it grabs 674. I'm not going to be able to use that many of them, so we're going to just click that off. We'll select half a dozen. And it does do them alphabetically. I wish it did it by popularity, but it does not. Okay, so once you got that, you just have to hit the copy button. And I already have my YouTube Creator Studio open, so that's the other app that you'll want to use. Click on that. Now you get the little pencil up there, that's your edit button, so you want to click on that. Now if you lose your save option up in the upper right hand corner, all you have to do is hit the edit thumbnail and then select the same one and it'll pop back up for you. So that's going to be how to modify our tags right there. So we'll just come over here and we'll copy and paste it. So it gives me all of my tags in there, and we'll hit save just to save our work. And then what else I do is I have kind of a general description set up. It did pull it up for me. Of course, I got a little ahead of myself. I use Google Drive, and I've got a general description set up. It gives me a quick, easy way. It's got all of my links in them. Um, on how I, for my affiliate programs. Also links to my other videos. And let's see. Go ahead and we're going to use the photo and videography one for this one. I've got a business option. I've got, it gives you you can pretty much set up it any way that you want to do it. Sometimes copy and paste isn't the easiest way to roll, but there we go. So I've got all that. We'll hit copy. And then we're going to hop. If it will cooperate. We'll hop back. Here we go. Back to our YouTube studio. We want to edit. And we'll highlight everything first. And then we'll paste that all in there. So that throws all that information in, all of my links. Go in and make sure that you set your playlist where you want it. And that's pretty much a very quick and easy way to get set up and rolling. Now that is kind of setting up your video side of things. One of the other things, you can network on Facebook, or excuse me, on YouTube with other users. A lot of people, it's questionable as to whether it is against the terms of service. I'm going to leave that up to you guys to decide. But what you can do is go in and if you want to find the sub for subs or shout outs, they're all pretty much the same difference. What you're really doing is just networking and trying to connect with other users. Let's take a look here. You guys get to see my history here. There we go. Click on sub for sub. And just for an example on this, and I do this in the YouTube app itself. Again, as my rather large fingers get in the way. Go into the general. I have stuff set up in my YouTube drive. No, there we go. And I have kind of a sales pitch or a subscriber pitch, depending on how you want to set it up. I do go in and try to network. I'm not going to deny it. But I can go ahead and create one, kind of a sales pitch, an explanation. Oh, another little hint and suggestion there, guys. If you notice on my link, you see the question mark sub underscore confirmation equals 1. That creates a instant subscription link for everybody. So we'll copy that. And we'll go back to, there we go, YouTube. And I actually like doing this much better on the app than using the computer program, because what this enables you to do is to bounce back and forth, and I'll show you here in just a moment. Like we'll choose Spirit here. So Spirit, you're getting a free plug from me here. But you select them, just hit subscribe. Now you notice that your window is still open down below. So you just have to click on that, click on the comment, and the other nice thing is it'll pull up their name so that they get the instant notification. And you just have to copy and paste. And it makes everything real simple and real easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please click on the subscribe button if you're new to my channel. If you're one of my subscribers, guys, please support the channel by clicking on one of the links in the description. We could greatly appreciate any assistance on making this channel successful. Thank you guys and appreciate your time.